Unlocking secure, contactless payments in Pakistan with your iPhone is simpler than you think. While Apple Pay isn't officially launched in Pakistan as of our last update, there are still ways to explore its potential, depending on your issuing bank. First, the crucial step: verify if your Pakistani bank supports Apple Pay. Look for their official announcement or contact their customer service. Not all banks will be compatible, so this is your primary check. If your bank is supportive, you'll add your eligible debit or credit card to the Wallet app on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and follow the on-screen instructions to scan your card or enter the details manually. Your bank will then send a verification code, often via SMS or their mobile app, to confirm your identity and approve your card for Apple Pay. Once set up, using Apple Pay is incredibly easy at a participating payment terminal. Simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This secure method is great for quick, convenient transactions where you see the contactless payment symbol. Remember to always check for merchant acceptance and be aware of any local regulations regarding digital payments. Stay informed about official announcements for broader availability and enjoy a more streamlined payment experience whenever and wherever it's fully supported.